Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Blender 5.0. Now, to do that, you need to navigate to the official Blender website and download the appropriate installer. So let's go and do that. You will see when you get to the official website here directly, you will see release note 5.0, and you will also see the button here, download Blender 5.0. So if you want to do that, just click on it. Now you will have options here for which type of your system you want to do that. So we have for Windows, and then you can choose here for also for Mac, Linux, as just the source code. So select whatever you are comfortable with. So let's go with that one. And the downloading started. And now we just need to wait a bit and we will go to the installation setup. Okay, so now the download is complete. We can go and click on it. And the installation setup will appear like so. And now what we need to do is just go through, and then here you can set up your space on your computer where it will be placed and installed. And after you are done with that, just click install and wait that installation is finished. So this is basically it, how you can download and install Blender 5.0 to your computer. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the